So we just finished setting up our 40 by 40 sectional pole tent and wanted to take an extra moment to show you the sidewall installation process on it.
So these are wraparound sidewalls. They're going to go on the outside of the pole.
Okay.
Okay, so when you start them, I always recommend starting on the inside corner here.
Okay.
And then literally just that easy.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh, and just clip them up there. Okay.
These will clip here.
Oh, okay.
So like if you don't want to use a bunch of them, you just want to like do one wall.
Yeah.
Just make sure you clip it around the pole to keep it from flapping. Just getting down the line.
I let Steve take over there for a moment as he was explaining a bit as he went. Like he said, he's going to continue clipping as he unfolds the sidewall up until he reaches the end of it. Since we're applying this to a 40 by 40, we'll actually put 2 sidewalls up per side. To give himself the slack that he needs, Steve starts putting the wall up, continuing on like he was before from his last ending point. After he's got about 3 up, Rich will then cross the hook on the second sidewall over the first to help keep both sidewalls snug together and give the illusion of it being just one wall. Once Steve gets to the end of the wall, he is going to slowly and carefully wrap the sidewall around the outside of the pole. Now if we were to keep going, he'd attach the sidewall onto the next side, but since we're ending it here at this point, he'll fully wrap the sidewall back around towards the way he came and hang it next to the already put up wall. As you can see, this one sidewall already makes a major difference when looking at your full tent. If you want to add your own sidewalls to your tent orders, be sure to give us a call at 832-8368.